Okay, it's time for my roasted salmon with sweet potatoes and crispy broccolini. So broccolini, first of all, is Chinese broccoli and broccoli.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So I love it, and you just cut it up like this, put it in a bowl. This is raw. You don't have to blanch it. I think I like it better than broccoli. It's easier, and it's a little easy to chew. And I'm going to show you a trick for easy sweet potato wedges. So I have some sweet potato in a microwave for about 2 minutes.
What?
Just to lightly soften them up.
Did you prick them or anything?
No pricking.
Okay.
Okay. And they're still raw in the center.
Yes.
And then we take one of these suckers. You know what this is, right?
That is called a apple core wedger.
You ready?
Apple segment.
Look at that.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
Jeffers.
They make nice wedges like that. And
That's a nice little time saver.
this I say for the dog, because dogs, this is very good for dogs.
It is good.
Oh,
we
give
give
it to
JoJo and
Gus,
Pino.
maybe.
Gus can have that,
Yeah,
right?
they love sweet potatoes.
Listen, if you do want to feed your dog little leftover pieces of sweet potato, make sure that they're fully cooked, okay?
Exactly.
True, yes.
Okay, so
Lost
Jeff,
that.
you're gonna help
Yes.
me by picking some cilantro
Sounds fun.
and slicing some scallions really.
They're really thin? All right, Coach, you got it. Whatever you need
ready?
today.
Okay, so we're gonna get a sheet pan. So we have salmon, sweet potatoes, and veggies. So this veggie can be basically whatever you want it to be. We have chosen these three. So I'm gonna put it all in the bowl. So I'm gonna put this in the bowl. Onions.
Oh, yeah, GZ, what kind of salmon is that?
This is farm-raised salmon.
Love it.
Really beautiful, and you wanna make sure they're all cut about the same way without the skin. This particular dish doesn't have skin. If I had a hot pan or a cast iron pan,
Yeah, you
I
crisp
would
it
put
up.
skin, but not this one. Okay, so in the bowl, I have a little,
What is
smell
that?
This is amazing.
What is it?
Oh, come on.
I have a feeling you smell it because you don't know what it is either.
Come on, let's see.
Who can guess?
That's what he
Begins with an
usually
L.
does.
Oh, lavender.
It's a little lavender.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a...
Herb de Provence. I
Herb
was
de
gonna say it's
Provence,
very
but there's a
Provence-y.
lot of lavender in Herb de Provence.
You
I
are
just really love
so...
it, right?
You are so, like, awesome. Everything you
Some
do.
extra virgin olive oil.
Herb de Provence, it also has basil, fennel,
good, yeah.
marjoram.
Love it. Okay, a good amount of salt and pepper.
Did you know that lavender in your yard gets the mosquitoes away a lot?
Is it really?
Please,
Yeah,
anything for that.
I always cross-plant lavender around the front door and the back porch.
So believe it or not, we're almost done. So we're just gonna toss this in this bowl. And we're gonna go to our oven, and what I have in the oven's at 400 degrees, and I put a sheet pan in the oven, which we do a lot around here. We preheat the sheet pan with some aluminum foil on it, so
Okay.
that there's less cleanup,
Okay.
okay?
Non-stick aluminum foil?
So you're not using this sheet pan
I've
here,
never
'cause
heard
that's
of
just to hold the
non-stick aluminum
salmon.
foil.
It's
Is there
awesome.
such a thing?
It's everywhere. They've got store brand now and everything, and it's just
watch out,
really a time
Jeff, that's
saver in
hot.
the kitchen.
Hold on. Oh,
So I'm just dumping this, look at this. So it's already seasoned, right? Salt and pepper, you hear the sizzle? Shizzle,
I love it.
right?
I'm having a Pavlov's response, like a dog.
I got excited.
We're taking the salmon, we're putting it right on top of the vegetables.
This is so smart.
Simple, right?
This guy, you are like, this is very, you mean you used a microwave, first of all,
Yeah, this is different.
and then you wedged the
little-
whole sweet potato. I mean, you're really doing a lot.
Little olive oil,
Very good.
salt and pepper, and we're good to go. It's gonna go in the oven for about
70.
15
Is
minutes.
that wine there? What's...
Yes, it's a little wine, don't worry.
I saw wine and I wanted it.
We have that icing as we speak. We're gonna put a little wine on this. What this does is help
Steam?
steam it just a bit, add some moisture, and get the vegetables cooked at the same time.
Oh, it's still snizzling.
What kind of wine?
White wine,
matter.
Saucier, Chardonnay, something you would drink.
Okay.
Okay, in the oven,
So from the box.
400 degrees, about 10 to 15 minutes. Watch it, don't overcook salmon. There's nothing worse than overcooked salmon.
No me gusta.
Here you go. Oh,
Put everything right in front of me here to clean up.
okay, look at
Oh,
that. Isn't
man.
that just
Oh,
gorge?
yeah.
Is that
Oh,
gorge?
it's pretty.
Now comes the fun part. So who's tasting this?
Daddy Geoffrey.
You're tasting?
Yep.
This is my kind of meal. I love
So
this.
there's
I'm
no,
making it.
there's no fuss to this. You just want to put it on the plate. Okay.
You say there's no fuss, but there's something about your hands and the connectivity between your hands and your brain that make everything look really good, GZ.
Love lemon juice on everything, just about. And just to finish, for some extra crunch, some scallion and some cilantro.
All right.
And then you
That's
have my
very
cheat
Alvin
sheet
too, man. That's it.
salmon
Alvin notes.
with roasted vegetables. Bon
That
appetit.
baby around,
All right.
that's beautiful.
I'm gonna just get after that salmon right quick. Oh, yeah. Ooh,
Yeah?
like a hot knife through hot salmon.
Pilot high, GZ. See,
Wow.
you just gave us 2 ways to plate it. I really like that way, too.
It's all about that. You can see the inside of that salmon is like perfectly medium too, but the vegetables surrounding it are crisp, but soft when they need to be, like that sweet potato is like perfectly yielding and everything. We got a little edge to it, so you get a little crunch on there. The broccolini, you're right. It's like the best, it's like super textured broccoli. And a little milder, awesome. That squeeze of lemon is key at the end there, and all the fresh herbs in there, the scallions. This is awesome.